Hey, good afternoon. Hey, for watching this YouTube video. This short video is to show you a unique and wonderful program where you can turn near $20 into over $200 in less than 1 year. If you're looking for a platform to make massive money this year, don't look elsewhere. BTC Club is the way. BTC Club, it's actually a one-line global matrix, which means when you came into the program now, anybody that is signing into the program all around the world will fall directly under you. They will be coming directly under you, and they become your downline automatically. It's a straight line thing. BTC Club, it has some unique features. When you are coming into BTC Club, your registration is free of charge. All you have to do is just to activate your account with just $20 in less than 48 hours. No matrix to be filled, no board breaking, no stalling, and all your withdrawal, everything goes to either your BTC wallet or your BTC Cash wallet or your Ethereum wallet in less than 24 hours. Then you have 5 unique ways to get paid in BTC Club. Number 1, you have single leg, or what we call straight line income. There is direct referral income, there is indirect referral income, there is magic income, and there is also royalty income. 5 unique ways to get paid. Let's talk about these 5 unique ways one after the other. The first one, single leg or straight line income. This straight line income we are talking about, it's so unique. It's the compensation plan. It's awesome. Anybody that is coming into BTC Club enter from level 1, and we have 15 level to climb in this program, and all the 15 level within 1 year, less than 1 year. When you come into level 1, you sign up with $20 into this unique program, and the system expects you to refer at least only one person before the closing day of 10 days, which means when you come into the program today and you activate your account with $20, the system expects you to refer at least one person before the next 10 days, because in the next 10 days you are going to get paid of $20. And once you get paid $20 in the next 10 days, it means you automatically move to level 2. And here, when you look at this place, they said downline ID. It means that at worst, on the worst scenario, the system expected that at least 20 people will have joined the program. 20 people will have joined the program, and the way people are coming into this program, it's so awesome, it's so unique that in the next 10 days you have more than 10,000 people that will join you. I'm going to show you another video whereby I will show you my back office, whereby in less than 3 days that I joined this program, over 3,000 people has already come under me. Because once you sign in, anybody that is coming in all around the world, they are coming directly under you. Once you get to level 2, so the system assumes that 40 people will have come directly under you, and in the next 10 days the system is going to pay you $40. $40 is what you are going to get paid in another 10 days. But all what is expected of you is just to refer at least one person after you might have gotten your $20, which from level 1. And for your level 2, system expects you to refer at least one person. Once you refer one person here, in the next 10 days, from the first 10 days that you got paid, you are going to receive your $40, which is going to be your second earning at level 2. Once you have your $40 at level 2, you automatically move to level 3. At level 3, the system assumes that at least 100 people will have joined the system. 100 people will have joined the system, and once 100 people join the system, and you as a person is expected to refer only one person. Once you refer only one person, in the next 10 days you get paid $80. In another 10 days you get paid $160. That is for level 4. Once you get paid $160 in your level 4, you move to level 5. At level 5, what the system is expected of you is to refer at least 3 people, to refer just 3 people. Once you refer 3 people, you get paid $200 in 20 days from the last day of your earning, and it goes down like that. You have level 7, level 8. Level 7 you get $800, level 8 you get paid $1,600, level 9 you get paid $2,000, level 10 you get paid $5,000. And the number here is the expected number of your direct referral that is expected of you at each level. That's how you are going to get paid. That's the first way to get paid, which is your single or straight line income. Then let's talk about the second way to get paid. The second way to get paid is called what we call direct referral income. Anybody you refer into the system, you get paid 15% on whatever the person is, or you get 15% on your direct referral. That is 15% of the $20 the person is using to activate his or her account. Then the third way to get paid is indirect referral income. Indirect referral income is what you are getting from your referral, and it goes 6 levels down. You have level 2, you get paid 6%, level 3 you get paid 4%, level 4 you get paid 3%, level 5 you get paid 2%, level 6 you get paid 1%, and level 7 is going to be 0.5%. Then the fourth way to get paid in this unique program is what we call magic income. Magic income is achieved when you refer directly 10 people into the system within the first 10 days that you join this program. It means all your straight line earnings is going to be doubled, which means at level 1, instead of you earning $20, you get paid $40. Level 2, you earn $80 instead of $40. Level 3, you earn $160 instead of $80, and that is magic income for you. And also we have royalty income. Royalty income, you'll be paid 10% on the earning of your direct referral from their team activities. That is the fifth way to get paid in this unique program. Why you should join this program now? Why won't you join this? All you have to do is just to click on the link below. Click on the link below to join the program. It's free of charge, and all you have to do is activate your account with $20 in the next in not less than 48 hours from the time you join the program. And participation is throughout the world. Minimum withdrawal from the program is $20. Your withdrawal will be deposited within 24 hours into either your BTC wallet or your BTC Cash wallet or your Ethereum wallet. And you also your automatic confirmation. Once you sign up, you activate your account, is automatic confirmation. You can quickly sign up from my link. Sign up from my link. All you have to do is just activate your account with less than. All you have to do is activate your account with just $20. To sign up now, just go to www.bit.ly/BTC Club, and this is my ID if you want to sign in, or you have to you go through the link below this video. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share it to your friend on social media. You can also subscribe to my channel to receive more video on how to make more money on the internet. Thank you for watching. God bless. I remain Lawal Olatunde.